Hello boys and girls. Today we're gonna draw a handbag and it's so easy to do so. Here we go. Well, we are done with the bag and now for the handle. Now draw a semicircle that joins the handles of the handbag, like this, and the buckle. Almost done. Time for the fun thick outline. Ready to color? First, let's use some pink. Color, color, color. Color it pink all the way. Woohoo! Looks good. And then we color the handbag with a dark shade of pink. Make sure you leave out the buckle. Ooh, bright and pretty. And now for the bottom of the handbag. Color, color. Go for it. And an orange for the sides. And then some red. And repeat. Oh wow, some blue. And some yellow. And let's make the handle green. We're almost done. Yay! A handbag. Looks good. Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!